right, guys, we have Dustin here. He just finished the program and he is killing it right now with his first product. So let's dive right into it, man. Tell us number one, how many units are you selling per day and what's your profit for you?
Gotcha, man. Selling right now, selling 4 units per day.
Okay.
Make about $12 per unit profit.
Okay, so that's about $48 per day. That's close to $1,500 a month profit from one single product. How long did it take for your product to get to page 1 organically, would you say?
Page 1 organically took about 10, 11 days.
Okay, cool.
9 to 11 days.
Awesome. All right, and now it just stayed steady selling.
Right.
Love it, man.
Exactly.
Cool. All right, so pretty much tell me like any advice. Well, number one, what was your experience with the program? And then advice for people that want to get started.
Gotcha, man. Experience with the program, man, was great, man. You guys, your team do a great job. Asher and all the guy, Alex, even came on late. He does great at his craft as well. But everybody did a good job. Y'all are always, available, which is great. And the biggest thing is always sending the videos that I can go back and kind of catch back up on some things I may have forgot. I think that's a great thing y'all do, is always having those videos there for us to look at. And most importantly, man, just help us, see where most people go wrong and correct that before we can potentially make that mistake, So I thought that was a great thing, is showing examples of where a lot of people go wrong and ensuring that we don't make that same mistake.
Okay, cool. So number one, well, thank you for that. I love the fact that how everything has worked out for you. Right. So tell me like any advice for people that are on the fence about getting started with starting their business. You were just there not long ago.
Exactly.
Any advice for people that want to do this?
Gotcha, man. Hey, go for it, man. I started this. I got into reading books. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, all those books that inspire you to have that passive, passive income kind of mindset. I looked out and it was good, man. Go for it. Create some passive income for you, your family. And not only will this program help you understand Amazon, but it's also opened my mind up to other e-commerce opportunities. So I say go for it, man, because I'm actually well equipped now for whatever I want to do online, just through this course. So go for it, man. I'm rooting for all y'all out there, man. Go ahead, go for it.
Yeah, I mean, you know what? I love the fact that you brought that up. Not only with the program you're selling, you're learning how to sell on Amazon. You're learning what search engine optimization is. You're learning how to do keyword research.
Exactly.
How to communicate with suppliers in China. With not only you can use that to sell on Amazon, but you can create your own e-commerce stores, and now you know how to contact suppliers and import products. So great, love it, man.
Indeed,
well, thank you so much, Dustin. I just want to see what you do next in your second, your third product. Yeah, man. I'm looking forward.
I'll keep you posted. Definitely will keep you posted, brother. Indeed.
All right, brother. Thank you so much.
All right. Bye. Peace.